In this video today guys, I will be sharing with you how you can add your Wise card to Apple Pay. So from your Wise mobile app, you want to select the card menu. Here you're going to select the card that you want to add to Apple Pay by swiping to the one that you want to add, right? Then select add to Apple Wallet. So my card details is being shown, but because my screen has been recorded, you're not seeing it. So here you're going to select next. Agree to the terms and conditions. So here you're going to select which option is best suited for you. So I'm going to say not now. Select got it. And now let's go to our Apple Wallet to confirm. So you can see that my Wise card is now in my Apple Wallet. So the default card is a card that is shown at the front of the screen. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.